Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Marjuki. I represent my team, Profesor Dr. Haji Wahyudin, MPD, Dr. Sabarudin, MPD, Irfan Rusman, MPD, Muhammad Jayar, MPD, and then Habibi Ratu Perwira Negara, MPD. I would like to explain our paper that the topic student justification in solving applied algebraic derivative function. For the first time, I will start my presentation with introduction, and the second is method, and then result and discussion, and the last is conclusion. Okay, introduction. Introduction. Justification is an important activity in mathematics. Justification is the act of providing a basis for evidence or argument to convince others that the claim is true. NCTM 2000 emphasizes the importance of justification to be done in mathematics learning, and it must be implemented at all levels of education. Nah, justification is an activity that is closely related to mathematics. Justification is the process of proving the truth of statement by giving reasons which are based on definition, theorem, or lemma that have been proved before. Nah, although many justifications have been carried out by research in a pure mathematical environment, mathematician, it is also important to explain justification in the process of learning mathematics in school. In previous studies, the type and justification factor used by students in solving mathematical problems in the application material of algebraic function derivative have not been found. To reveal the process type and factor justification of students in solving problems of derivative application of algebraic function, it is necessary to conduct grounded theory systematic procedure research. To obtain position relate to type and what factor affect student justification in solving mathematical problem in the application material. Okay, research purpose. Nah, this study aims to obtain proposition related to the type and factor to affect student justification in solving mathematical problem in the application material of algebraic function derivative. Research question. How are the proposition related to type and what factor affect student justification in solving mathematical problem in the application material of algebraic function derivative? Okay, method. Method in this study, case study, and grounded theory. Now, the question in this research requires a case study research design with a grounded theory design of systematic procedure. The design of case study and grounded theory is used to boil substantive theory concurrent research question relates to what factor affects student justification in solving mathematical problem on application material derivative from algebra function. And then participant. Participant involved in this study were 25 students of class 12 senior high school. For questions of critical thinking skill that have been valid by experts on the derivative application material are given to participants as many as 4 questions. Then interview are conducted until saturated data is obtained. Because this research was grounded theory, the data were analyzed use 3 steps of open coding, axial coding, and selective coding. With the help of the NVivo 12 flow software to avoid bias in this study, the reliability test was used by involving two coders, NMT and MI. Offset of this research project. The result of the reliability test obtained Cohen kappa value more than 0.65. So the thema, category, and subcategory. And subcategory in bolding profession can be content on. Okay. Because the purpose of the study is to obtain proposition related to the type and factor the effect the study justification in solving mathematical problem in the application material of algebraic function derivative. The step of this grounded theory research process in 3 steps: open coding, axial coding, and then selective coding. Nah, open coding. Open coding. Now, in the open coding step, the research gives a code to ask participant answer relates to either in solving problem in the application of algebraic function derivative. Test result that and interview that the following is presented one of the test question for the application of algebraic function derivative application. Give a curva was equation is y equal to x kuadrat kurang 4. Determine the equation of the tangent to the y curva passing through the point which nodes phi which line in on curve. B. Based on the answer A, sketch the graph of the curve y equal to x squared kurang 4 along with the equation of the tangent. The following is an expert of an interview with 3 participants X, Y, and Z. From interview expert that above and the participant already test answer during the open coding process, the research fear from constant comparison simultan with involve constant interaction between the research and the data. And the theory is the plot in the theory is the developing. Further, the newly collects that continue to be complete with previous collect that. The result of constant comparison between that and that, coding with that, coding with coding, coding by subcategory, subcategory with subcategory, category with subcategory, category with theme, obstant, 12 identical subcategory that still need to be result. For example, derivative concept, substitution, tangent, gradient, positive and negative graph. The data will analysis with the help of the NVivo 12 plus software to obtain an open coding diagram in figure the open coding process. From the result, the open coding analysis shown in the figure 2 above, there are subcategory and 5 type of student justification category in solving application problem, algebraic, which includes assumption, Fagu rule, procedural description, our explanation. Nah, subkategori the concept of quadratic factor, Tangen equation concept, straight line equation formula, the derived concept. Fagu derived concept, down or up function, graph scale, kemudian substitution, and then Tangen gradient. Next, the axial coding. Nah, axial coding process. Furthermore, the grounded theory research select one category and place it as a central phenomenon that is being studied in this case. The student justification for the application material of the derivative of algebraic function and then relates on her category to its causal condition as shown in the figure. By paying attention to axial coding diagram in figure above from left to right, we can look at the 6 category box obtained in the study including number 1, causal condition. Causal condition are tools that affect the category in this respect. Assumption, Fagu rule, procedural definition, our explanation. Now, all of these causal category affect the core or central phenomena regarding the ability of student to justify the application of derivative function. Number 2, the core category. All central phenomena in terms of student justification. Number 3, strategy is an action that arises from the core phenomena in studying English concept category. The concept of quadratic function, derivative concept, Tangen equation concept, straight line equation formula, substitution, down or function, graph scale, positive and negative gradient. Number 4, context. Context is a special condition that affect the strategy when students do justification, learning culture, learning resource, and classroom learning. 5. The condition for intervening general condition that affect the strategy in this study includes get used to giving around 10 questions. The select procedure is not result oriented and support research. 6. Number 6. The consequence are the thing that arise from the strategy in this study. Participant justification the derivative application material from assumption Fagu, rule, procedural declaration, our explanation. Now, the next step is followed by selective coding. Selective coding. In this step of selective coding, the research writes a substantive theory that is integrated between the category in the axial coding model and takes personal memos about participant either found along the course of the research. The selective coding diagram is shown in figure 4. In figure 3, diagram of the selective coding. At the diagram selective coding, component of student justification, assumption, Fagu rule, procedural definition, our explanation, justification factor, learning culture, learning resource, classroom learning. There are hypothetical conference regarding the type of justification. See figure 3 in solving mathematical problem in the application material for the derivative of algebraic function as follow. Nah, component of justification. Nah, number one, if the participant make assumption in solving the problem, then the student type of justification is the assumption. Number two, Fagu, board statement. If the participants solve the problem very concerned and are not very informed, then the student type of justification is Fagu. Number three, if participants solve the problem by giving reason accompanied by rule and definition, the student type of justification is the rule. Number four, if participants solve the problem step by step accompanied by reason, then the student type of justification is the procedural description. Number five, if participants solve the problem by giving argument in their language, then the student type of justification is our explanation. Justification factor. Meanwhile, the factor that influence the type of justification in solving mathematical problem in the application material of algebra function derivative include learning culture, learning result, and classroom learning. Teacher autonom is one of the factors justifying student in safe learning culture in the classroom. Nah, teacher autonom has the capacity, freedom, and responsibility to make choice about the teaching, the aspect of teacher autonomy in the classroom context, implementing the curriculum, choose learning content and learning activity, and managing teacher and assessment method. The next factor that affects student justification is the sort of learning, the main sort of student learning in textbook. In Indonesia, textbooks are very diverse that can be chosen by students in learning, but it becomes a problem too. How do students choose textbooks that are suitable for consumption by students? For example, mathematics textbook, school student handbook are the question and the concept given in the books for student reasoning process, which will stimulate student thinking or vice versa. Several textbooks have been assessed as feasible by the National Education Standard Agency. There are still mistakes. This will have an impact on student problem-solving ability in justification. Furthermore, the student justification factor is classroom learning. Learning that is carried out in class is based on the final result. In its result, students do not know much about unique problem strategy. Students are not usually given not routine question that call students to think, so that students are not used to doing good justification. And then conclusion. Their factor influence the student justification in learning mathematics in the application material of derivative function, which includes number one, learning culture. Student learning culture can be seen in the process of solving the given question. Students imitate their teacher answer, meaning that student learning by memorizing. Learning sources. Learning sources used by students are textbook. Textbook in curriculum in circulation do not fully prove clear concept, resulting in incorrect student justification. In class learning, students are not assumption to solving non-routine question, so that students do not know how to do justification well. This research is limited to just the application material of algebraic function derivative. Further research is to just about the content of textbook consumed by students, where there is still a lot of wrong material, which result in the study justification being inexact. Okay. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.